I'll show you 11 ways to use baking soda. Removing odors from food containers. Leftover food odors trapped in your containers? Here's an easy fix. Fill the container with water, add a spoonful of baking soda, and mix well. Close the lid and let it sit for a day. The odor will disappear effortlessly. Deodorizing trash cans. Bad smells coming from the trash can? Yikes! Simply sprinkle a spoonful of baking soda inside, and the odor will be gone in no time. Cleaning the sink. Sprinkle baking soda evenly over the sink. Gently scrub with a sponge. Then rinse with boiling water. A quick and easy way to keep your sink spotless. Cleaning a kettle. Got an old kettle? Looks pretty grimy, right? Pour in 1 cup of water and add a spoonful of baking soda. Mix well to prevent clumping. Then boil the water. Discard the boiled water. Add another spoonful of baking soda and scrub thoroughly. Give it a final rinse, and your kettle will shine like new. Cleaning a wooden cutting board. Wooden cutting boards are prone to bacteria buildup. Generously sprinkle baking soda and scrub gently with a sponge. Rinse under running water and place it in a well-ventilated spot to dry. Your cutting board is now clean and safe. Cleaning a tarnished silver necklace. Tarnished silver? Clean it fast and shine it up. All you need is baking soda and 1 cup of water. Add 1 spoonful of baking soda to a cup of water and mix well. Place the tarnished necklace in the water cup and let it sit for 20-30 minutes. Wipe it clean with a dry towel or tissue. And look how it sparkles. All done. Now your silver necklace is sparkling clean. Removing odors from UGG boots. Got smelly winter boots? Here's a simple deodorizing trick. Place a few layers of paper towels on a flat surface, then sprinkle baking soda on top. Wrap the baking soda tightly in the paper towel and tie it securely. 1 more wrap for extra security. Put this DIY deodorizer inside your boots before storing them. No more bad odors. Eliminating toilet odors. For a smelly toilet, sprinkle baking soda inside and let it sit for 20 minutes. Scrub lightly with a toilet brush, then flush. A quick and easy way to keep your toilet fresh. Cleaning the bathroom. Bathrooms get dirty fast. So here's a thorough cleaning method. What you'll need: baking soda, a cleaning sponge, and leftover shampoo. Fill the sink with water and mix in the shampoo. Add a spoonful of baking soda and stir well. Use a sponge to clean the sink, faucet, soap dish, glass surfaces, and even the floor. Rinse everything with clean water, and your bathroom will sparkle. Important: avoid mixing different chemical cleaners, as it can be dangerous. For best results, use a bathroom cleaner certified by the Ministry of Environment. Cleaning the microwave. Add a generous spoonful of baking soda to a cup of water. Microwave for 3 minutes until the baking soda steam fills the inside. Use a damp cloth to wipe away grime. Don't forget to clean the turntable and the exterior for a fully refreshed microwave. Cleaning a carpet. Carpets are tough to wash, but here's an easy cleaning method. Sprinkle baking soda evenly over the carpet. Let it sit for 20-30 minutes, then vacuum thoroughly. That's it. Your carpet is now clean and fresh. Try these different ways to use baking soda for cleaning. Give it a try and keep your home fresh and spotless.